हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। तो अगर आपने हमारे चैनल हानो किड्स को अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो अभी लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और साथ ही लगे बेल आइकन को ज़रूर दबाइए ताकि हमारी हर नई आने वाली वीडियो आप तक ज़रूर पहुँचे।
Baby escapes from the magic cage.
Hey kids, are you ready for a magic? Ha ha ha! Abracadabra!
Hey baby, look! This magic stick has all the power. Yeah, this looks so nice. Let's do a magic with this. Abracadabra! Wow! It's so beautiful! Give me that! I will do it now! Yeah! Here I go, my darling! Abracadabra! Huh? Uh-oh! What's this? Open the door! Open! Huh? Hey! Don't worry! Just wait! Ta-da! Hey! No! Wait! This is not the right way! Please go and find anybody to help! Okay, I will go now! Baby and me took away the magic stick, and we were doing tricks, but Baby got trapped inside a cage! Look! He's there! Hey, Johnny! Dolly! Come fast! Help me! Huh? Baby, don't worry. We will help you. Come on. Open. Wait. I have an idea. Yeah! I have the key. Open. Uh-oh, it's not working. I will do this now. I'm so tired. This doesn't work. I think we should call the magic man to help us. Yeah. Come, let's go.
Where is my stick? Who took it away?
Hey, magic man. Here, your stick is with me.
Oh, my magic stick! Oh, my buddy! I was searching for you everywhere.
Sorry. Baby and me took it away from you. We were playing with this. But Baby got trapped inside a cage. Please help us to release him.
Okay. Don't worry. I'll help you. Come with me. It's okay, baby. I'll get you out. Abracadabra!
Huh? Yay! I'm free now. Thank you, Mr. Magic Man.
Okay, guys. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
बाय बाय हानो किड्स।